Good morning, Lori here. I have to change out everything on my heat press, so I thought I'd go ahead and give you my little tricks that I use on my heat press because I learned it from the company that actually makes the sublimation signs. So this is specifically for sublimation signs. The first trick is going to be you need fleece. So I got mine at Hobby Lobby, but you want fleece that will stretch. See how it stretches in this direction, but it won't stretch in this direction? This is specifically the type of fleece that you need. You're going to line the bed with the fleece part up. I like to add just a little bit extra, and I'm going to show you why. The next trick is get yourself some magnets. We like to use parchment paper, just the plain brown kind. You want to have it be longer than the bed. So I live in the South and it is very humid here. This does much better in the humidity than blowout paper. All right, so we just put it right on top of the fleece. Okay, and then we're going to take one of our magnets and we're going to put it underneath right there, and we're going to put one over here. So that's going to hold your paper and your fleece in place. You can leave this fleece on until it starts to tear, and then you need to replace it, but a long time. Then I'm going to line the top as well. Okay. This one is going to go on the top. I have magnets on the top as well, so I'll push them down. You want to do this when your heat press is not on, because your heat press is going to get hot even on these outer surfaces. You're going to place the paper, put your magnets on. Pull it up in the back. Place your magnets on in the back. They are strong magnets. Okay. And then I'll just adjust it to make it a little bit tighter. There we go. These magnets will work great to keep everything in place. And then I only have to replace the paper when it gets really brittle. So when the paper gets brittle, I'll replace it, but I'll leave this fleece on.